Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Plymouth Satellite. Great little car, guys. I bought this car from a husband and wife. Matter of fact, this is the second car I bought from them. I bought their original car, I think it was 2 to 3 years ago. 67 Satellite, and then they built this one, and now he sold this to start on a Charger. So very cool car, very well done, 415 miles on a complete body up restoration. Good car, man. It's a real pretty color combination. This is a gold, kind of like a champagne gold, metallic with the matching interior, all new legendary interior in the car, and like I say, really real nice setup that he did. I love the wheels and tires on it. Those are 15 by 8 inch rocket wheels in the rear and 15 by 6 in the front, so it's got that old big and little you know, race car look to it. And like I say, pretty car. That's AAR Hemi hood scoop on it. It's got a healthy little 3D3, and it's supposed to be the original engine. Obviously, they didn't put VINs on those blocks back then. He converted it to a 4-speed manual trans. Really nice. Like I say, hits the road good. I haven't driven it a ton. I put a couple of miles on it. Stone peck there. But really nice car. Chrome and stainless, you can see, is real nice. Slick paint. Glass is nice. Look how nice all the stainless is. You can see how nice the glass is on the car. Again, this stainless is all really nice stuff. Pretty color, kind of changes a little bit as you walk around. I'm sure that's just, you know, my imagination, but as you walk around it, it kind of flips a little bit. You know, it's a real cool color. Nitpick the bezels a little bit. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, love the wheels and tires on it. I think they look great. Car is clean as can be underneath. Got a good sounding Flowmaster 2.5 inch dual exhaust system in its H-pipe system. You did convert it to front disc brakes, all new front suspension. Again, dual quad 3D3. It's got dual Edelbrock's 500 CFM 4 barrels on it. You see Offenhauser aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got a Mallory Unilite distributor in it, aluminum radiator, manual steering, manual front disc brakes. Car is detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Again, the underneath of the car is real nice. Electric fan. He's got a push button start on it. I don't think the heat is hooked up, guys. Matter of fact, I know it isn't. Nice car though, man. Pretty car. There you can see that kind of gold metallic real shine to it. Pretty car. Again, all new Legendary interior. I do have new floor mats on the way. I think they say they match with it says Satellite in silver. Bucket seats console, I really like that. That was a big plus on this car. Of course, that four-speed is a huge plus as well. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel looks good. Put all custom gauge cluster in it. It's tach and gauge cluster. There's your push button start down below. Again, H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust. A little scratch there in your paint. It's got an 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. Hits the road good. Jacks in the trunk. He's also collected some little parts and stuff. Those all go with the car. Just stuff on the restoration. All his books and stuff, all that stuff goes with it. And like I say, he has a bunch of little parts. There's your jack. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Pretty car, man. Again, the car's just as clean on the bottom. I dig it. Super cool car. I think it's missing this on the right side too, or driver's side I should say. Seats are nice. Like I say, carpet's all new. I don't even know if the radio works. I never turned it on. Nice sound. Mopar 509 camshaft. Nice little rumble. Electric fan works. That's a nice car, man. It doesn't have the 383 emblem on it. You can buy them. They are available. Well, I like this car. Nice car. Gauges are all functional. Tach works. Car holds good oil pressure. Parking brake does work. Car's got great sound, man. I don't know if the radio works. No radio, guys. Oh, hey.
Won't find the station.
Oh, it just doesn't get it. Oh, you know there's no antenna on it, but it does power up, guys. He doesn't have an antenna on it out here. But actually that AM radio does power up. He's got the wipers on, can't figure out how to stop it. There, he's got it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That's a pretty car, man. It's got a good look. A little stone peck there, guys. Well, I like this car. Just a fun car to go bang the gears in. Great look. Jordy's waiting for a low opening. He's trying to get into it a little bit.